In this small tutorial, we're going to check the secure boot certificate on Windows 11, since June 24th is when the old one expires. You don't want to wind up not having a secure boot certificate because you might not be able to access your computer. Let me show you how simple this is. Start by opening up the settings menu, and you do that in one of two ways. Go to the start menu and select it, and then select settings. Or the shortcut way is to simply use the key combination of the Windows key and the I for information key. That also opens your settings. Once this is open, go to privacy and security. Once that opens, select Windows Security and then open Windows Security. Once this box opens, what you're looking for is Device Security. If this has a green check mark, it means Secure Boot is on and all required certificate updates have been applied. If this is yellow, your device is still running older certificates and updates may be pending. If the icon is red, immediate action is needed. You get the newest certificate. Windows updated that certificate back in April of 2026 with that update in Windows. So if you did an update in April or more current, then you should find out that your device security has that check mark. If you have not done an update, you just took your computer out of mothballs, I suggest the first thing you do is a Windows update and get everything up to date so that you don't run into a problem. That's all it takes to make sure that the secure boot certificate is up to date. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.